attract good talent, I think we've got to do something about it. And while every organization will have their own employer branding proposition, I think as an industry also, it's equally important for us to talk to people, tell them in terms of, it's an exciting industry, so on and so forth.
I think as we enter the 20th year of privatization, as we go through the 20th year, there is a need for keeping the talent more homogeneous. So the rare occasion where your organization leader may have come from outside the sector is when there is an openness to look at talent from outside the sector.
That it does not necessarily depend upon the brand. It actually depends upon our ability to attract a person who has a higher potential network in the market.
Aspects to it. One is having all those things which are good to attract people, and having all those things within the organization so that when they come in, they really find it a great place to work. But the second part to it is all those things people can experience only when they come in, unless it is branded well, or unless the company is putting a lot of effort in creating value.
I think the first step would be to educate and orient people in terms of what the industry. I think the fact that it's still in its early stages, there is still under penetration of insurance. There's a long way to go. There's huge growth prospect, and if the industry grows, the company grows. If the company grows, your career is likely to grow. Even kind of communicating this point across and educating people about this is the first step in that direction. Digitization will only help you increase productivity and reach to your customer base that much more faster. So I don't think, because of digitalization, will there be job cuts? The answer is no. I think it will only help you increase your productivity and probably increase your customer base.
And even otherwise, if you look at HR area also, when we were recruiting, we were very comfortable talking to people face to face. We were not really doing so much of video interviews and all of that. But after COVID also, recruitment has not kind of stopped, and we continue to do work from home and all of that. And the video interviews is the norm today. So we are not really calling people to our offices personally to interview them and then select them. Most of the selection is happening through video interviews.
Have the life insurance companies created digital assets through which current processes can be done digitally? Answer is, I think, predominantly yes. I would see the next stage of evolution as saying building a digital ecosystem where it's not about actually just moving or transitioning the processes that they exist as the way they are today, but to creating a completely evolved business model, which is digital.
Whether it is HR, whether it is operations, whether it is sales, in most of the areas you see, digital things changing the way we work.
Possibly we are one of the few industries where a good number of players are actually growing over last year numbers. While other industries are, shaving off headcount, are going back on salary cuts and, many other measures, we as an industry are actually growing. Now, in this scenario, if there are players who haven't gone the digital way, then definitely they will be left far, far behind.